you have a big fat package, that is the prize money, you have certificate, you have mentoring, you have workshops. Not just that, you have an opportunity that you directly get funded by the VCs. And you know VCs are not going to fund you like 5-10 lakhs. They go in crores. Okay? So if you really have an idea, we'll help you to nurture that in the process of these 3 months. Ultimately, all the result process will take place and then you will be a part of it. So we welcome you all to be a part of Ignite 2K18. All the details will be on our official Facebook page. So you can go on Facebook and you can find Ignite Official. IGNITE Official. Ignite Official join. So you'll find a lot of details. And for those people who are interested, we have already made it live on TownScript. So you can start registering on that if you have an idea. If you have a prototype, you can just start working on it.
Welcome to Ignite 2018. Ignite is a 3-month-long Maharashtra-wide incubation program, mainly consisting of idea presentation, prototyping, and startups. It provides a platform for students and professionals to come together, develop their ideas, and enable them to find value propositions in their endeavor. Precisely, it is very much more than just an event. In general terms, we are not just finding a winner in the crowd. In fact, we would be helping others to be the winner next time and simultaneously making everyone ready for the real world problems. Participants will be entitled for the following benefits: idea validation, mass mentorship sessions and webinars. Our future glorious events. Mark your calendar while I take you through it. For January 2018, reach out sessions and registrations. For February 2018, mentoring sessions and webinars for preparation of the participant. For March 2018, selections and pitching sessions. April 2018, valedictory ceremony and launch of the membership of the company. So, buckle up and get ready for Ignite 2018, powered by IYEDO.
Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you so much.
So this is only for this year or it happens every year?
It will be happening every year.